Sabi niya sa karinderya.
Kaya siya amoy tinola.
Ikaw, Gil! Pull up!
I don't know what they offer, but mine's really absolutely different.
Actually, Red Doors na lang kulang eh.
They're all good, actually.
Just found out in the States, out of 10 people are that composes millionaires. Network. So it's like 40% of millionaires and network. Working ang actually they promote yung bagong product. Oo nga. There's wala. Yun no?
Kala ko paro.
Nigga. Good sa group.